Hello, welcome again. I'm Ola from Crochetylicious, and today we're going to learn how to crochet a griddle stitch. I actually learned it as punto riso because that was a Spanish course, but you know, I found that it's called griddle stitch. And basically griddle stitch is a mix of single and double crochets, and I love it. I have a sweater with that stitch, and it's my favorite sweater. So to learn that stitch we need to, of course, make the starting knot first. So I always do the first knot, so to say. I wrap the yarn around my finger. I have two loops. I slide first this loop to the front, and then I take this other loop and slide it off my finger. In the meantime, I insert the hook and I chain. Tighten. But now it's time to chain. So for griddle stitch we need an even number of chains. So I'm gonna do 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, so we have 10 chains, and we are starting in the fourth chain with a single crochet. So let's do a single crochet, because this is kind of our first fake double crochet. And now, so first one was single crochet, then we do the double crochet. So we wrap the yarn, we insert the hook, we grab the yarn again, we grab the yarn and pull through first 2 loops, and then another 2. Yes, another 2 loops I meant. So that's the first double crochet. Then we go to the next one, and because we kind of interchange. So now the single crochet, now a double crochet, so when you have double crochet, now we need to do a single crochet in the next chain. Okay, and now a double crochet, and the last chain has to always be a single crochet. That's when you know you did, we alternated correctly. So that's our first round, and you're going to see the changes in the pattern more or less a little bit, better in the next rounds. And now we chain 3, because this is our kind of fake double crochet. We turn and we crochet. So we skip this one because we already have that, triple chain as a fake double crochet, and we insert here with a single crochet. Oh, so under that V, right, with a single crochet. Oh, I grabbed that again. Okay, just a second. Okay, got it. And now here previously was a single crochet, so now we need to add the length a little bit, so we're double crocheting here. Okay, so double crochet here, single crochet. Here was, less, so we are adding the height in a way. So we have a double crochet here, a single crochet here, because previously it was a double crochet, a double crochet here, and we are making the last single crochet, because like I mentioned, we always have to finish with a single crochet in the fake DC. A fake double crochet. I just have to kind of stab the crochet hook because it's hard to see. I have done it correctly. I'm fighting for life. Okay. Okay, almost there. Okay, got it. So we single crochet, so that's our second round. And again, so this is how we're gonna work. So we do 3 chains, we turn the work, we skip the first one, and we single crochet here, and then we double crochet. And I think it's already slightly visible where we had a double crochet and where we had single crochet because of the length of stitches. And if you're just learning this stitch, you can also use stitch markers and, for example, add them in the fake DC so that you don't lose them, because it might be a little bit tricky at the beginning, but I think you can get used to it and learn it. So chain 3 and turn again and again, right? So this is a little higher, so we need to make a single crochet here. This was a little lower, so we're adding a double crochet. Oh, need more yarn. Here's a single and a double, single, oh, just under the V here, and the final single crochet. So you always finish on single crochet, so that's your indicator if you alternate it correctly. And here it is, our little sample for Griddle Stitch or punto riso. There you go. And if you would like to have it written down, like you know how it looks like with symbols, so remember that we had at first, so this was our first fake double crochet, so 3, and then we have 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. I know it's it can be confusing, but that's it's just easier for me to remember about every chain we made, and I remember that we made 10. So we have all the 10 chains. We do the single crochet and the first loop, then we're doing a double crochet, a single, double, single, double, and a single, and then we go chain 3, we go with a single here, double here, single, double, single, double, and we do crochet in this. So we have a single crochet in the fake DC, and again we just chain 3, we don't crochet here, so we crochet here, then here, 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 and the final here, and then we chain 3 again. So thank you for watching, see you soon.